Hi everyone, I am Alexis Valdez. This is my research project for the class Business 143. I did my project on Jehiel Oliver. He is the founder of Hello Tractor. Hello Tractor is an affordable farming for those in Southern Africa. He is also on the board of H4H, which helps funding for those with AIDS and HIV. Jehiel Oliver attended Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University. While he was there, he got his bachelor's degree in economics and business between the years of 2001 and 2005. He then went back to school and attended Cornell University, got his master's in economics, and he was attending from 2011 until 2013. While growing up and being an adult, he was very into volunteer work. His two most known are for the Big Brothers and Big Sisters of America, which helps those children in need that are kind of needing a mentor and guidance to become something. And the Beech Tree Center for Rehabilitation and Nursing, he also volunteered a lot there, helping those in need. His main job while an adult was investment banking. He really focused on low-income areas and raising their capital and trying to help those areas and get them higher income, better housing, and things like that. He's really driven by his great uncle. He has an incredible story, and as well as his parents and grandparents. The company he founded is called Hello Tractor. It's an Uber for tractors, allowing small farmers to access tractors in remote locations of Africa. Their two home offices are in Kenya and Nigeria, and there are definitely fees applied to this, but kind of how it works is all these farmers have this app called Hello Tractor, and you can either be a small farmer, you can own a tractor, you can need to rent a tractor. But for those that need to rent a tractor, we'll request one, and either a large commercial company or another small farmer in that area will then drive the tractor to the small farmer that does not own one and allow them to rent that. The mission and the vision of this whole company in general is the fact that smallholder farmers are the key to ensuring global food security and alleviating entrenched poverty. That kind of means that society in Africa and kind of globally really needs these small farmers to help the food industry grow. And then in the little diagram here, you can see that there are a lot of key aspects to Hello Tractor. There's bankers, there's dealers, there's farmers, and as well as contractors. And that's kind of the whole base of Hello Tractor. So the lessons learned that I learned from Jehiel is he is an incredible person and has inspired so many people. He has truly kind of started something in Africa that really can help them grow as a whole continent and country and everything in between. He is so compassionate for the people of South Africa. He didn't just stick a company in Africa and was like, hope it grows. He really learned about the culture and diverged himself into it and truly embraced it and wanted to make something work. He is so passionate about what he does. He truly wants to help these people and can see that they need the help and that what they can do with the help that they get. He's also really aware of the social issues in the world and is trying to fix them. A lot of social entrepreneurs that I look up to or that I know of or just in the area, they're not really aware of the social issues. They kind of think they are, but they don't really embrace themselves into the culture, truly understanding what those social issues in the world are. He really taught me in general kind of to fight for what I believe in and be proud of what you're doing no matter what it is. I think a big thing is he didn't know if Hello Tractor was going to work. He just dove in and he was really passionate about it. He didn't know what kind of money he was going to make. He just knew that these people needed his help. Kind of what was inspiring about Jehiel was that my end goal in life is to be able to create a nonprofit based in Dodowa, Ghana, which is a really small rural town that benefits the kids and the children and women of Dodowa. It's a very, very poor rural area of Ghana, and kind of being able to learn how Jehiel started this business in a different country, and it's so difficult to start that. It's not like in the US where you just fill out a paperwork and you kind of get a business license. Starting one in Africa is a really tedious process, and watching him and learning about what he did really inspired me to be able to go through with what I want to do. Seeing someone that really saw what they wanted to do in life and fought for what he believed in really makes me want to like conquer my nonprofit and be able to do what I want to do. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.